What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another banger video. And today, guess what? Who I'm here with?
Raider.
Woohoo! My first video with him went viral, which was pretty hot.
You know it.
Yeah. Alright, so today we're gonna be reacting to the top 20th funniest doorbell camera moments. It's also a try not to laugh. Should we do a try not to laugh challenge?
I'm down if you're down.
I mean, I'm down if you're down.
Then let's do it.
Alright, you guys already know. 3 lives.
That's kind of easy. There's only like 20 of them.
Alright, 2 lives?
Deal.
Alright, let's start on with the video. Looks like we have a UPS worker here. It's on Halloween.
She just biffed it.
I've cheated too! What an L. Looks like Raider.
If I had a perm.
Bro's oh. That's crazy.
What was that?
It was a moth, I think. Oh.
I got laughing down. That was funny.
I think she like dislocated. That looked like it hurt too.
That was.
Yeah, look at this. Boom.
she got tooken.
Tookened.
Is that a word?
No.
Bring it to me.
Bring it to me.
That's what you. Oh. No, we already failed.
Oh, SpongeBob and Patrick.
Whoa.
Wait, pause it. Did you know there's a kid at my school named Patrick Star? Like, that's his actual name.
Bitches.
I'm serious.
That's
He
crazy.
gets made fun of. Well, not really made fun of. Like, oh, what's up, Patrick? Like made fun of, but like
in like a
yeah.
funny way.
Like he's like so popular.
Yeah. Me and Raider already failed the challenge, so I hope you two, or not you two, but you watching the video are still in the challenge.
Can you throw it in there?
Husband tries to slide his fart. Oh! Oh!
Oh, that was a juicy one.
For real. I bet he diarrheaed himself right there.
Trying to blow it away. What was she doing? She goes. "Bah, bah, 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 bah." Oh, she's an old lady.
Yo, my school did one of those Halloween thingies with the spider, and that got me so hard. Wait, it was like it like jumped at me and I like fell. Or I didn't fall, but it scared me.
It got him hard. I think he has a attractness to spiders.
That's a cute dog. That's pretty funny, actually.
She went flying like 20 feet.
She tripped on arrow. That's crazy.
She goes.
Oh, I put captions on. She fell too. Okay, a little kid.
Alfred.
Wait.
Alfred.
The guy's talking through him through the ring thing.
Oh. She's gonna get like scared. Oh, no.
L for trying. See, me personally, I would have gotten that.
For real. Personally, I wouldn't have fall.
Same. Okay, a husband and wife. Oh, that would hurt. She landed directly on the pumpkin stems too. Oh, wait, is that a man?
I don't know. Wait, what?
I don't even know. Is the bird gonna ring the doorbell?
Oh,
That's actually crazy.
that was so cool. What a W bird. That dude looks high.
Open the door. Open the door.
The dude's drunk.
I've got the wrong house. I'm sorry, no, I thought it was sorry, sir. Sorry, yeah, alright.
Me personally, I would never get drunk.
That's all it is.
I've heard that beer tastes horrible.
It looks like kind of nasty.
Looks like brown pea or pea in general.
What is with people tripping like 30 feet?
I know, bro. The ghost got him.
Oh, he's almost naked.
Whoa.
This is
Oh, ho, ho.
that's gonna hurt.
That's gonna have some back pain in the morning.
Oh.
No, this is gonna be end bad.
That's the #1 funniest moment.
I don't know. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I know it was a short one, but yeah, I'm gonna have like 2 other videos coming out with this guy. I know he's your favorite.
I mean, it worked in the first one, so
Yeah. Anyways, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below, cause
subscribe if you have a Ring doorbell.
oh yeah, subscribe if you have a Ring doorbell. Anyways, outro.